Hello friends, previous class we have discussed about various techniques and also about numbers in the Excel. Now today I am going to start class number 3 which deals with passwords, colors, etc. It's related to sheets only. In the Excel, if you want sheets, those are on the downside of left corner here. We are actually present in the sheet 1. Suppose I need extra sheets, we need to press this symbol. This is plus symbol and we need to press that to get extra blank sheet. See what? Again. Like this I can get a blank sheets. Okay. Then how will you know in which sheet we are there means present sheet will be white or clear solid color. See, I am in fourth sheet. It is white. We are in the fourth sheet. How we can know we are in the fourth sheet? Here this is white color, these are all called gray colors are coming. Now if I want to go for sheet number 2, the sheet number became solid clear white. If I want to go for sheet number 1, I will click here, then the sheet number 1 is selected and its color is white. Okay, we can change colors. I will say how to change and everything in this class. If I want to change the name of the sheet, I can easily change by right clicking here and next I will go for rename so that I can change. In the same way I can do it for another one. Like this I can change the name of the sheet. Okay, we have done up to here and we can move or copy the sheets also. Like this we can click on the sheet and just drag. Here there is an arrow, here there is an arrow. Click on the sheet and just drag up to here. See here, this one is changed to here. If I want to end like this, I can drag here and I can set. If I want to front, I will like this I can do. What I said now is shortcut, and there is one more option. Right clicking on the exact sheet and just go for move or copy. Like this we can see where I need to go. For example, I need to move up to the end, then I will select here and just I will go for end. This is how we will move the sheets. If I want to move the sheet again to front, I can drag like this also. Now I will say about copying the sheet. Copy, how we can copy? We'll right click on this and move or copy. We will press create a copy. If I create a copy, one and here one more is formed. See here one more is formed. If I want to delete this, right click on this and just delete. That's it. If I want to copy, there is a shortcut called here. We need to click here control plus click and we need to drag up to here. This copy is found. If I need another copy, I need to press control and I need to click on the target file and I need to drag here. See, third copy has been found. Like this we can copy the sheets. Now I am going to tell about the colors. Yeah, for everything the colors will be fine for looks and everything. The appearance must be colorful. Okay, how can we get colors for the sheets? For example, I am selecting first sheet number 1, which is DJ999, and I will right click on this and I will search for tab colors. Here there are colors, many colors. I will fix for red color. See here it is red color it came, and I will do the same for green color and this tab colors. If I want more colors, like here there are more colors, we can select from here a standard order, custom order, whatever you want. Just select more colors, standard, this one or this one. Okay, like this we can select. And I had said earlier that if what we select, it will show less color. If the sheet shows solid color, we are not on that sheet. If the sheet shows solid color, we are not on that sheet. See here, these are showing solid. For example, I will go for Danu sheet. See here, that is not showing solid color, and these are all showing solid colors. If the sheet doesn't show the solid color, then we are in that sheet. If the sheet shows solid color, then we are not in that sheet. For example, I will click here. See, there is no solid color, and I will check there is no solid color. If I want to remove these colors, how I can remove? Right click on this and just go for tab colors and just no color. Like this, we can remove the colors. No color and tab colors, no color. Like this, we can remove the sheet colors. Then how can we hide the sheet? If there is any problem, we should hide the sheet too. For example, to secure the details, sometimes we need to hide the sheets. How can we hide? Yes, there is one more option. We need to right click on particular, for example, yeah, this. I need to hide this sheet. For example, I will right click on this and just go for hide option. See, here we are not getting that sheet. Where is that sheet? It has been gone. Now we can we Now we can unhide the sheet, like right click on this and just unhide. It will show this is hidden and we need to unhide that sheet. If we unhide, we got this. I'm just copying the text and I'm just pasting here. And the same I'm pasting here with some matter. And now I'm just hiding this sheet and also this sheet and also this sheet. Now I need to get a particular sheet. Now I will select for unhide. See here, there are three names. Which sheet we want to unhide, that we can select and we can unhide. See, yeah, okay. Like that, we can unhide this sheet and hide the sheet. And next thing is copy paste from sheet 1 to sheet 2 or one interface to other interface. As I have shown you, I need to copy. For example, I will select this and I will go for copy. We have two options. Here there is copy option. Like that we can copy and go here. I will select this box and I will see here. I'm just copying this. See here, I'm selecting this copy and I will go for another one and I will paste here. How I will paste? There is shortcut for pasting, Control V, and there is one more shortcut called Control C to copy. If I do like this, right click on this particular tab, here it is showing paste options. There are more options. We will know about that in further classes, but at present we will for this one, paste. Like this we can paste wherever we will select, like this we can paste. And next, the main topic is how to keep the password. How to put the password for particular text or sheet, we will know here. For example, I had taken this and I will select this, or like this I can select, or I will select here, right click here and just go for protect sheet. Like the type text, I want to give a some 123 as a password. Okay, and here I need to type once again 123. So now the text is protected. For example, if I click here and just delete on delete, for example, I will go here and I will do cut on cut, can't modify also because it is password protected. So we can't modify the text, or for example, we can't do anything with this until unless we need to remove the password is removed. For example, how to remove the password? I will click here, right click, unprotect sheet. Here I need to type 123. Okay, now the password has been gone. Now I can delete, I can cut, I can paste paste here, whatever I can do. This is about today's class. If you want to learn previous classes also, just go through the links which I have given below. Thank you for watching this video.